Welcome! In front of me I have a REALME Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to record the screen on this device. First we need to open the quick panel. To do it, simply swipe down from the top of the screen twice. So once, and twice, like this. Once you open the quick panel, you should see the screen record start icon, this one. Tap on it. Then you will see this menu, and here you can customize the settings for recording. You can select the audio type and enable the audio recording. So if you want to record the audio during the screen recording, you can enable this option, then tap on this triangle and select the type of the audio. You have microphone, device audio, and device audio and microphone. So if you select the microphone, it's gonna record the sound from the microphone. So basically it will record you talking or something that is gonna be heard by the phone's microphone. If you select the device audio, it's gonna record the sound only from the phone, like music, calls, and stuff like that. And if you select both, it's gonna record both. Next we have show touches on screen, and if you enable this option, if you touch the screen, it will show this little dot on the screen when you're recording, basically where you touch the screen. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, tap on start. You will see the countdown, and after it's done, the recording will start. And you can record your video, like that. And once you're done, open the notifications, so swipe down from the top of the screen once, like this. You will see this notification right here. To stop the recording, simply tap on it. And the recording will stop. You will get a notification that it was stopped and saved. You can tap on this notification to open the recording. You can also share it, edit it, or delete it right here. Okay, and that's how you record the screen on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.